For watching health related video, please drop a like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for which you will get a new video notification first. Hi friends, welcome to Doctor's Vlog channel. Today I would like to discuss about Montek-LC tablet. What is Montek-LC tablet? Montek-LC tablet contains two ingredients. First one is the levocetirizine 5 mg and a montelukast 10 mg. Manufactured by Sun Pharmaceuticals Limited. Uses of a Montek-LC tablet. Montek-LC tablet is used in the treatment of allergic condition, sneezing and runny nose due to allergies, high fever and allergic skin conditions. What are the side effects of Montek-LC tablet? There are common side effects will be seen, like diarrhea, dryness in mouth, fatigue, headache, nausea, skin rashes, sleepiness and vomiting also. How to use Montek-LC tablet? Take this medicine in the dose and duration as advised by your physician or doctor. Swallow it as whole. Don't be try to chew, cruise or break this tablet. And a Montek-LC tablet may be taken with or without food, but you have to better to take in a fixed time. At a fixed time, that means it should be taken if you better taken in at fixed time, that means only evening time or before a bedtime. How Montek-LC tablet works? Montek-LC tablet is a combination of two medicines. Previously I have discussed that contains levocetirizine and montelukast, which relieves sneezing and runny nose due to allergies. Levocetirizine is an anti-allergic which blocks chemical messenger histamine responsible for runny nose, watery eyes and sneezing also. Montelukast is a leukotriene antagonist. It works by blocking another chemical messenger known as leukotriene. This reduces inflammation, that means swelling in the airways and nose, and improves symptoms. Some quick tips I will advise you. You have been prescribed Montek-LC tablet to help relieve symptoms of allergy such as runny nose, sneezing, watery eyes and cough. Be cautious while driving or doing anything that requires concentration, as Montek-LC tablets can cause dizziness and sleepiness. Don't drink alcohol while taking Montek-LC tablets, as it may cause increased sleepiness. Dry mouth may occur as a side effect. Frequent mouth rhinitis, good oral hygiene, increased water intake and sugarless candy may help. Last one is stop taking Montek-LC tablet at least 3 days before taking an allergy test, as it can affect the test results. So this is all about Montek-LC tablet. If you like my video, please subscribe for more updates. So thanks for watching and stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you so much.